Hey there, empowered peeps. I'm Ryane to the rescue. And today I have a really short and sweet video for you today. And if you have fluorescent light bulbs in your home, you're gonna find this one really helpful. So I'm gonna show you how to replace burnout fluorescent light bulbs in your home. And I also have a really important tip that I wanna share with you a little later. So first things first, when your light is flickering or when it just doesn't turn on, then grab a ladder and you're gonna have to climb up there to the light fixture cover. And what you do to remove it is you just take it from one side and you pry your fingers underneath there, kind of carefully but firmly, and pull it off of one side. And then it will most likely just hang on the other side like this, and you can leave it hanging there while you're working if you want to, or you can just lift this up off of the lip and remove it altogether and get it out of your way. Next, you'll find the fluorescent light bulb or bulbs inside. And notice that there are two pegs right here at the end, and each side of the bulb looks like that. So when the bulb is in the fixture, the pegs are going to be in this horizontal position, meaning side by side like this. And what you need to do is you need to rotate it 90 degrees like this, and then you can pull it straight down. It'll come right out. As a matter of fact, you won't even have to pull it. It will most likely just drop out of position, so be careful for that light bulb. Then set this one carefully aside, and if you don't have any replacement bulbs yet, you could take your whole bulb to a hardware store or Walmart and just find one exactly like it. Or you can look at this number that you see right here on the side. Mine says SP35. Then you can run to the store and buy some replacement bulbs or order some online. Once you get home with your bulb, then you're gonna wanna slide it right up into place. Make sure it's in the vertical position. Put it right up into those slots, and then you rotate it 90 degrees until those two pegs are in the horizontal position. That'll lock it into place, and if you have your switch on already, your bulb will come on, which I did in my case because my closet was really, really dark and I couldn't even see what I was doing. Which leads me to my tip that I wanted to share with you. If you have two or more bulbs in your fluorescent light fixture and one of them goes out or one of them starts to flicker, replace it right away, because first of all, if you let it keep on flickering, it can damage another item inside of the light fixture called the ballast, and we want to prevent that. But also, they're probably not going to go out on the same exact day. So as soon as one goes out, go ahead and climb up there and pull out the bulb just like I showed you and find out what kind of bulb you have and get your replacement. And then go ahead and get them replaced while the other one's still working. Otherwise, if they both go out, you have to work in a really dark area and you'll have to have a flashlight, and it's super awkward that way. So be sure to replace it right away for both ease and to protect your light fixture. Now that you have your new bulbs in place, you put the cover back on and you just put one side over the ledge, and then this side you just clamp up and push it back into place. And then you're all done. To dispose of your burnt out fluorescent bulbs, check with your local guidelines. You may need to take them to a recycling place or wait for a bulk trash pickup day, but don't just throw them out in your regular trash because of mercury concerns. Fluorescent bulbs are being used less and less these days, and we're transitioning over more to LED bulbs. And this one that I have on my workbench right up here is LED. It looks like it's a fluorescent fixture and it puts off a lot of light, but it's LED, and when it burns out, you just throw the whole thing away and replace it. So I hope you found that helpful. Anytime you're faced with a task that you don't know how to do and you've never learned, sometimes it can feel kind of intimidating. But replacing a fluorescent bulb is actually quite easy. So I hope you can follow these steps really, really quick and simple and replace your fluorescent bulb too. We can do it.